Ladies and gentlemen, my video will provide you with detailed recommendations on how to effectively remove the ransomware called TwoFactor. TwoFactor is the ransomware that may damage the files. Of course, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily, but unfortunately, due to certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware called TwoFactor may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data. This ransomware called TwoFactor encrypts files and damages them considerably. So very soon after users restart their computers, they realize the damage that has been caused by this ransomware. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. This is what happens with the file. You try to open the specific file and you notice that some random extension has been added to the files. The ransomware also changes the desktop background and it is titled as some FBI warning, which is obviously a fake FBI warning. The ransomware also drops this ransom note, which is in Chinese. Briefly, the ransomware note mentions that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. Well, I think I was wrong. I guess it's not Chinese. I guess it's something in Korean language. Anyway, the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay the ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't waste it. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently. You may do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. We recommend you to go to the official page of it, combocleaner.com, download it, install it, then click on Start Scan button and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in this trial mode. After you click on Start Scan button, the program would begin researching and investigating your system. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data with this anti-ransomware feature, which is the part of the premium license. But decrypting the data is not possible for Combo Cleaner or any other antivirus. But Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively identify this ransomware and to remove it effectively from your computer. Speaking about decrypting these files damaged by this ransomware, you may find a special link in the description for this video. This link will guide you to another article where you may find more detailed information on how to possibly recover your data that got damaged and encrypted by this horrible ransomware. Anyway, you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.